Hello viewers, if I try to open Instagram showing this error, you have reached your daily limit and Instagram not opening. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all tap on more option. After tap on more option, a menu will appear. Now tap on ignore limit for today. Tap on profile icon. Now tap on 3-line icon. Scroll down. Tap on time management. Now here you can see daily limit. Just tap on this option. Here you can see a daily use time limit is set for 15 minutes. Just turn off daily use limit. After turn off daily use limit, now go to Instagram and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.